Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Moto E22i, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to find the display. Now let's tap on Advanced, and under it we will have the screen timeout, so let's tap on it. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top we've got relatively short options, like 30 seconds for example, and the longest at the bottom of the list, 30 minutes, which is of course currently applied. So simply tap on the option you'd like to use. I will pick 5 minutes. It is marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, and it means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.